Hi there, and welcome to this second lesson on Pure Maths 1, Chapter 1. An introduction, really, to basic algebra. Algebra which you should have met before, but algebra which is extremely important in A-level mathematics. This section 1.2 is looking at expanding brackets. Expanding brackets really just means multiplying brackets together, or multiplying brackets by something that is outside of them. There is only one rule. If you are multiplying brackets together, everything in the first set of brackets must be multiplied with everything in the second set of brackets. And you go through them one thing at a time. So for example, if you had a plus b times c plus d, you have to do the a times by the c to give you ac, the a times by the d, the b times by the c, and the b times by the d. Okay, pause the video and have a go at these 4 questions. Once you've done them, restart the video again. Okay, we'll look at the first one. Doing the x times by the x is x squared, times by minus 3 is minus 3x, and then the 6 times by both things in the second bracket gives you those terms. The minus 3x and the 6x, those can be tidied together, giving you x squared plus 3x minus 18. The second question, x times the second bracket gives you the first 2 terms, minus 3y times the second bracket gives you the last 2. There was nothing you could tidy up in that question. Question 3, 2x minus y squared means 2x minus y times by 2x minus y. 2x times by the 2x gives you 4x squared. You get minus 2xy twice, and you get y squared. This time there is something you can tidy up, because you've got the two 2xy's. You can join those together and get minus 4xy. The fourth question, this time it's 2 terms times by 3 terms. So you'll get 6 terms in total when you multiply the brackets out. X times the second bracket gives you the first 3. 2y times by the second bracket gives you the last 3. And again, when you look at these terms, none of them are the same as each other, so there is nothing that you can tidy up. Those are the 4 answers in case you missed any. Pause your video again. Have a go at these 3 questions. Just be careful. There are 3 brackets now. When I go through the working out, I do the first one times by the second one. Once I've got the answer, I multiply by the third one. Have a go. Okay, we'll go through these. So with question 1, I've done x times the 3x plus 6 first. That gives you 3x squared plus 6x. Then we need to times that by the x minus 4. That gives you that. 2 terms are the same. We've got a 12x squared and a 6x squared. Combining those together gives us 3x cubed minus 6x squared minus 24x. And the second question, again, I've done the x times the 4x minus 2y first. That gives me 4x squared minus 2xy. Then we've got to multiply by the last bracket. 2 items times 3 items. There'll be 6 items in total. We get 4x squared times by these 3 things gives me the first 3 terms. Minus 2xy times by the second bracket gives me the last ones. You're looking for terms that are the same as each other. And this time there is a pair. The minus 16x squared y and the minus 10x squared y. You can join those together to give you minus 26x squared y. The other terms do just stay the same. The third question, first bracket times by the second bracket. That gives you 2x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 6. These x's can be combined together to give you plus 4x. Then we need to multiply by the last bracket. Again, it's 3 items times 2, so there'll be 6 items in total. This time there's quite a lot that can be tidied up. So we've got a pair of x squared terms that can be joined together, a pair of x terms that can be joined together. When you do that, you get 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 20x plus 24. Those are the 3 answers. And that gets us to the end of this lesson. Go to page 5 in your textbook and exercise 1b and have a go.